Hello, gusto mo bang matutunan kung paano magsimula ng sarili mong digital business kahit wala kang experience? Yes, ako po si Rosalie, full-time dental assistant and at my side hustle on my free time. Dati wala rin akong ideya kung paano magsimula online pero dahil sa free webinar, natutunan ko step by step kung paano gumawa ng extra income gamit ang system na proven and beginner friendly. Good news kasi may libre kaming webinar na pwede mong panoorin kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Dito mo malalaman yung kung paano gumagana ang digital business, paano nagsimula ang mga ordinaryong tao tulad ko at paano mo rin magagawa kahit busy o full-time worker ka. Curious ka rin ba? Comment info or send me a message. I'll send you the free webinar link so you can watch and learn how to start your own digital journey. God bless.